Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing an updated fidget toy haul. So let's get started. The first bin that we're going to go through is all my random fidgets. So my first one is this slime. Second is some ooze putty. I got this at Walmart. This I got at the doll store. I'll tell you where I got them all. Feels really good. It has little hearts and snowflakes in it. Third, my Simple Dimple. I got it from Mastermind Toys. Fourth, my puzzle ball got from Marshall. I got a slap bracelet, flippy slap bracelet. I have two of these. No, three. Blue, rainbow, and pink. I got these little things. Here, you guys can't really see out of my hair. Look. And I have a couple more little poppets. Some homemade poppets. I have some like this little nose. It's like the nose. I made some homemade Twinkie things. Some fidget spinners, and last but not least, another two homemade poppets. So that's what's in my DNA slash kind of. And then next one is all my squishies. So first, all my bag squishies I make these little things in red. This one had little gems and little crystals and pom-poms. These are squishies. Like you can play around with them. I made this one with soap and pom-poms. You watch. Okay, ready? Look how much soap. Look at that! It feels so nice. Fourth. Third, actually. And fourth. Next are all of my slime. I have a kit. I made them. I have to make a blue one. So there's a red one, kind of like a dough one. There's an orange one, yellow, green. I need blue. I'm gonna make blue and purple. So I have red. I just don't have blue. My powder DNA stress balls. This one kind of powdery. This one just little one, purple. Pink one. And the tail one. It's stretchy. That feels good. Next up are my globbles. I have 4. This little ball, it's squishy and it lights up. This Nido. This little squishy thing. And these two little heads. They're squishy. Yeah. So those are my poppets, squishies. And then next are all my poppets. So my first two poppets are from Mastermind Toys. This tie-dye one of my favorites, and this pink one. And then next I have a pineapple one. And then I have a purple rainbow one. I have a butterfly rainbow one. And a unicorn pink one. So that's it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace out.